If you'd like to clean up your WordPress editor and remove unnecessary WooCommerce blocks, this quick guide will show you how to do it easily without touching any code. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. On the left menu, go to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Disable Gutenberg Blocks. When the plugin appears, click Install Now, then activate once it's ready. This plugin gives you full control over which blocks are available in your editor. After activation, head back to your dashboard sidebar and look for Settings. Then click Disable Blocks. You will now see a complete list of blocks currently enabled on your site, including all the WooCommerce ones. Roll through the WooCommerce section and simply uncheck any blocks you don't want to use, like product grids, add to cart buttons, or featured products. Be mindful of which ones you disable, especially if your site depends on them for key pages. Once you're done, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's all it takes. The blocks you've unchecked will disappear from your editor, keeping your workspace cleaner and easier to manage. And that's it. You've successfully disabled unwanted WooCommerce blocks using a simple plugin. This keeps your editing experience faster, simpler, and more focused. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.